Guys, what's up? Today I'm going to introduce you a show which is apart from Squid Game and Alice in the Borderland, but it has a great impact on your psychological thinking, and it's really underrated, I would say, because I am not watching or being able to came across any shorts, reels and TikTok videos about it. So the show name is The Eight Show, which is a Korean thriller series that premiered on Netflix in 2023 or 2024 May. The narrative centers around eight individuals facing in financial hardship who participate in a reality competition called Money Game. Set within an 8-story building, contestants earn money for every minute they endure over 100 days. However, all purchases within the game carry 1000x markup, which is deducted from the potential prize, adding layers of strategy and tension. The series has drawn comparison to Squid Game due to its high stakes, competition, exploration of socio-economic themes. However, this show distinguishes itself with a darker, more comedic approach to the dangerous game show genre. The show pacing is deliberate yet urgent, effectively building suspense and compelling viewers to continue watching. Critically, the 8 show has received mixed receptions on other platforms. It holds 75% approval rating based on the reviews with an average rating of 6.8 on 10. But why Tho praised the series as one of the best limited series on Netflix, highlighting its conclusive ending and narrative payoff. Conversely, noted that while the series sets itself apart from Squid Game, it struggles with underdeveloped character and disjoint humor. User reviews are reflect generally favorable responses with a score of 7 out of 10 based on the ratings. Some viewers appreciated the show in engagement factors, so they noted occasionally melodrama and sadistic element. I agree with that too. The 8 show ranked 7th in the Netflix Global Top 10 non-English category 3 days after its release, because most of the fans and the viewers were from May 2024 or 2023 at that time of, but up till now it is mostly underrated type of. It received warm responses in 11 countries, being listed in the top 10, and the following week the series topped the chart with 33.2 million views, which is insane. If you talk about if you talk about the charts, the series next 3 consecutive weeks. In summary, this is the offers a unique blend of dark comedy thriller elements, providing a fresh take on the high stakes competition narrative. While it may not resonate with all viewers, those interested in socio-economic commentaries wrapped in suspenseful storytelling may find it compelling to watch. It has 8 episodes and around 1 hour to 50 minutes time, and in the beginning you feel like it is a comedy show where they are mostly connected it to Squid Game, but it is apart from Squid Game and way more dark than the Squid Game, because Squid Game is dark. Squid Game is has its own genre, but for this one I'm telling it's its own genre, and every single person in the series have a psychological problem as well as money problem and the family issues, so that's why they end up there. Thank you, have a nice day, bye.